Hi, welcome to our channel. In this channel, I'm going to unbox a MacBook Pro 16 inch. So this is how it looks like. And let me go over the specifications of this Mac. This MacBook Pro is space gray. It is 2.6 gigahertz. It's a processor, 16 GB of RAM, and it has 4 GB enhanced graphics card, and the hard drive is 512 GB SSD. So this is a pretty high end, and it'll retail for around $2,500 to $3,000 based on the configuration that you choose. So let's get started. I'm going to take a scissor and I'm going to nicely unbox it. It's out here. I'm going to remove this plastic wrap. Whoa, looks so gorgeous. Wow, let's see the magic now. Wow. Slowly, I'm trying to lift the lid up. Hey, I got a space gray MacBook. So gorgeous. I'm going to lift this. Wow. So this is a MacBook space gray, and as you can see, it comes with a charging cable. It comes with some documentation. It says designed by Apple in California, and then there's a charger here. Right, this is right here. I will leave it for it to be looked at later on. But this is what the box looks like. So let's keep the box aside. It's pretty good, pretty good finish. I'm going to close the box, and then let's look at the MacBook. I'm going to keep the MacBook here on this. So as you can see, this MacBook has a nice plastic cover on top of it, and I'm going to open this up. It's a nice space gray. As you can see, a space gray color. It doesn't cause too much of issues with your eyes. It's pretty clean, pretty neat. And let me open this. Wow, there's another protective film here. I'm going to open this up here. So as you can see, as soon as I open, I see an Apple logo coming in. So let's get going on this. It's booting up, and now let's look at the says to select me a language. So I'm going to select language as default as English, which means English US.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Press the return key. It's asking me to select the country. I'm going to select Canada. It's going to ask me to continue. It's asking me to choose Wi-Fi network. I'm going to pick something here, and let me put in a password for this. Meanwhile, you can look at the covers. Now the password is coming in. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi. It says could not be configured. Try again. Let me try it again. Yeah, it's now done. Let's go to data privacy, and it says to continue. I'm going to continue, and it says, do you want to transfer your information? First one, usually you can select the first one. or don't transfer information now. Okay, let's go with this one. Continue. I'll just say continue on this one. And now I'm going to look at okay, I think with this we are done now. Thanks for your time, and you can always put in comments on this video, and if you need any more pictures, you can see how it looks like. It's nice and clean. I want to just walk you through the keyboard as well. So it has this nice keyboard. The keys are pretty soft and pretty good. So they did fix some of the butterfly key issues, and there's a nice bar here. The rest of the things are pretty usual, but yeah, it looks pretty awesome. I highly recommend this. Yeah, it is a little pricey, but yeah, again, on the hardware side of it, all these are USB-C. There are two on the left side, and there is two on the right side, and of course there is a headphone jack as well. The rest all is pretty light, not too heavy. Again, given it's a MacBook Pro, so you would expect it to be more heavier than a MacBook Air, but still it is something you can carry with one hand, like I can do it right now. And other than that, I think I would think the screen it's possible to open it with one hand, but yeah, it still requires a little bit of effort. And again, there's a nice camera here. Yeah, most of the things are pretty good about it. It's pretty good finish, and I think with that I would like to say thanks to you, and put in your comments, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, you can ask it as a comment on this. Thank you. Thanks. Have a good day.